Ah, the joys of springtime. Birds are singing, the winter snows finally melt, and April showers bring May flowers. You aren't the only one enjoying the season. Kevin and the Microbe Posse are also happy to see the seasons change. They've been waiting for their big annual event, the annual Microbe Surfing Invitational. They know that when springtime comes, or a large rainstorm hits, it's their chance to ride the waves. After being cooped up all winter long, can you really blame them for wanting to have a little fun? But where will all this floodwater go? In some cases, it could end up in your well. While we're sure you're glad the gang had fun, you definitely don't want them having their after party in your well. So how do you protect your home and make sure that their party doesn't crash yours? A quick call to Captain UV, and you can get back to enjoying spring without worrying about the microbe menace. UV disinfection can protect your whole home from the threat of illness-causing microbes in your water. For more information, please visit Viqua.com.